Alright, the Antec 600 version 2. It's a really nice case. The top, there's a really big fan, 200 millimeters big, and it projects a blue LED light. As you can see, the walls of my room makes your room look really nice. Here's the front of it. There's two fans in the front, and my camera sucks, so you can't really see it that good. Here's the inside of it, of what I put. Probably still can't really see it. And there's also one fan in the back, 120 millimeter fan in the back, so a total of 4 fans right there. This case ran me $39 or $40 at fatwallet.com. So let's turn on the lights. Alright, so in the front of the case there's 3 USB plugs. Right here, 1, 2, 3. It's a reset button, a headphone jack, a microphone jack, and a power button. Then in the front there's 3 external drives. I put a DVD drive for the first one, a multi-card reader for the second. Third one I left blank. I'll probably add a Blu-ray player later on. Then there's a 2.5 inch hot swap drive right here for something like a solid state drive. It's the fans in the front. On the bottom of the case there's also another 2.5 inch slot for solid state drive. Then there's 8 expansion slots in interior inside. So this is also my first time building a desktop, so let's take a look at the components I chose. The first one I chose was the ASUS P8 P67 motherboard. I've heard really good things about ASUS. So the pricing on this is $169.99, but I actually bought this for $139 only. Bought it from this place called Micro Center. They have really good pricing, so I definitely recommend checking that place out. It's based in Silicon Valley. And what else about this motherboard? Oh yes, the socket size. You have to make sure when you're trying to build a computer, you have to make sure that you buy the correct socket size that fits the processor. And this socket size is 1155. So this is probably considered the newer socket sizes. So after you choose your motherboard, I went ahead and chose the i7, Intel Core i7 2600, also known as the Sandy Bridge. And you can see right here, same socket size, 1155. This costs, or the listed price is $329.99, but I actually paid $249.99 for this. Again, bought this at Micro Center. And this processor came with a stock fan, and I knew it wasn't going to be good because I was going to leave my computer on all day long, so I knew I needed an aftermarket fan. So the fan I went with is the Cooler Master Vortex Plus. This is $29.99. I actually paid $20 for this. So again, good pricing at Micro Center. Definitely check that place out. Oh yeah, before I bought this fan, I actually bought a different fan from Cooler Master. It was actually the size of this box, so it was really big and it didn't fit in my case. So I had to return that. Yeah. Oh yeah, if I had a choice, I probably would have bought a bigger box because this box is really not big enough. But first time building, so I didn't really know. So I just, anyway, stuck with this right now. Next thing to get is a hard disk drive. This is the Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte 7200 RPM. It's faster than the 5400 RPM, right? So this ran about $79.99. I actually paid $60 for this. So Micro Center again, and hard disk drive right there. Then what's next? The multi-card reader that I went with, 15 bucks, Manhattan brand. and I had to buy a converter case or computer. Bracket, and this bracket, it was pretty expensive, $10 for that. What else? Oh yeah, the video card that I went with is the Radeon 5830. I actually bought this online for $105. Came with 3 free games. I didn't really get a chance to check this video card out because my monitor sucks. So that's the next thing I'll need to buy, a better monitor. But this is an older series video card, shouldn't be that bad. It supports multiple monitors. That's what I'm planning to do. Get maybe like 2 more monitors or so. And this is a DDR5. I'll probably upload another video after I test out the video card with a better monitor. So, oh yeah, what's next? The power source. To power all of that, I went with 650 watts. I was recommended this by the sales rep at Micro Center, but actually I was told that this is probably too much power to be using. But because of my video card is it's considered lower end, but I'm pretty sure I'll be upgrading to a much better video card later. So this power source should be fine to power something better later on. Let's see, what else did I need? Yes, the keyboard that I went with is the Logitech K800 model. It's a really nice keyboard. It has a calculator key you see on the top. Another thing I really like about this is that it lights up at night. There's like sensors on top of the keypad, so that makes it look really nice. This runs at Best Buy for $110, but I got this for free because of a gift card. I'm sure you can also find better deals on like eBay or something. So yeah. And so the first time building this desktop took me, worked on it for 5 hours the first time. End up having to go back to the store like 3 times to return some things because it didn't fit, like the fan. Second time took me about 3 or 4 hours. Then third time probably finished in about 2 hours. So it's my first time building. Everything's working fine. It's really fast processor, 3.4 gigahertz. Yep, that's it.